Welcome to online classes, student. Today we are going to start a new topic, odd and even number, chapter 1, number and numeration. So let's start with this picture. Right, we can see here number 1, 3, 5 do not make perfect pair of 2. So they are odd numbers. Right, now this side boy wants to say number 2, 4, 6 make a perfect pair of 2. So they are even number. Those number who are divisible at 2, those divisible are even, and those are not called odd numbers. Right. So if a number has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place is an odd number. Ones place, if like this, if there is digit like 4, 3, right, 3 and 5, this is ones, right? So there is 5, this one is odd. If there will be 4, it's even, right? So come to an odd numbers. If a number has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in ones place, it's an odd number, right? For example, 11, 23, you can see here 3 is here, 5 is here, 4 is here, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these kind of digits are odd numbers. Hope you got it. Now come to even numbers. If number has 0, 2, 4, 6 at one place, right, one's place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, these are on one place, that means these are even number. So let's start with the example 10. So on the one place there is 0, that means it's a even number. There is 24, and at one place there is 4, so that means it's a even number. 6 is here, even. So these are the example of even, and these are the example of odd number. So let more discuss about even and odd, right? If there are two sums, right, two odd numbers like 11 and 13, you can see here odd and odd. 11 and 13, the sum of two odd number is an even number. When we plus 11 and 13, it's become 24, which means it's a even number. You can add any one, right? We can add from these. If there is 35, okay, you can add 11. So you can add 11. What it become? 5 and 1, 6. 3 and 1, 4. So it's become even. The both are odd, and it's become even. So you can see the example here. Now, second, the sum of two even numbers is an even number. If there is two sums, right, 16 and 18, the sum will be even, right? If we plus it, there will be even. The sum of an odd number and an even number, if there is one odd number and the other is even number, there will be an odd number, their sum, right? Their sum will be odd. If you take one odd number and one even number, the sum of these two numbers will be odd. So here are some examples are given to you. You can follow it. Right, you have to write O for the odd numbers and E for the even numbers. So we can see here is 1. We have to see the ones now. If there is odd on ones, there will be O. Here is 9, this will be odd. There is 6, this is even. Here is 4, it's even. Here is 0, it's even. And yes, there is 1, it's odd, right? Because odd is 1 and even is 0, 2, 4, 6. You can see here, and then you can do, right? Similar, there is 2, that's even. Here is 0, that is even. Here is also 0, that is even. Okay, now come to this point. The greatest 3-digit odd number is 999. This is odd number. The smallest odd number is 1. Always remember these words, right? If there is written the greatest 3-digit number odd number, that is 999. If there is smallest odd number, that is 1. If there is greatest 2-digit even number, if there is written even number, then we will write 98, because we want here even number, so we will write 8. Right, the greatest 4-digit even number, right, there is odd number, that's why we have written 999. Now we need 4-digit even number, so what we will write, 999, because in the end, in ones, we need even number, so we will write 8. Okay, that's all for today. Today we will done odd and even numbers. Thank you, students. Have a good day.